Transform operations allow arbitrary RDD to RDD functions to be applied on dstream. It can be used to apply any RDD operation that is not available in dstream API. Transform operation is perfect for reusing any RDD to RDD function that you may have written in the batch code and want to port over to streaming. For example, the functionality of joining every batch in a data stream with another dataset is not directly exposed in the dstream API. We can easily do it with transform operation. Let us understand this with a use case. We can do real-time data cleaning by joining the input data stream with pre-computed spam information and filtering based on it. As you can see in the code, we first run load spam info RDD. We then join word counts dstream with spam info RDD and filter the records based on some logic. Without transform operation, it was not possible to join word counts dstream with spam info RDD. Read more about transform operations using the link displayed on the screen. Window operations allow us to apply transformations over a sliding window of data. Why do we need window operations? Let us understand this with a use case. A typical use case in monitoring web server logs is to find out what happened in the last 1 hour and refresh that statistics every 1 minute. We can easily do this with Spark Streaming window operation. Here, 1 hour is the window length and 1 minute is the sliding interval. As you can see in the diagram, in this specific case, the operation is applied over the last 3 time units of the data and slides by 2 time units. This shows that any window operation needs to specify 2 parameters: window length, the duration of the window. Window length is 3 in the above diagram. The second parameter is sliding interval, the interval at which the window operation is performed. Sliding interval is 2 in the above diagram. Please note that these 2 parameters must be multiples of the batch interval of the source dstream. Let us take our previous hands-on on word count. If we want to count the words in 30 seconds of input data, every 10 seconds we use reduce by key and window instead of reduce by key. Read more about window operations using the link displayed on the screen.